What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, stocks pulled back today. We need to discuss it. We need to break it down so we can take full advantage of what moves may come on tomorrow. So guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay guys, check it out. Apple, ticker symbol AAPL, 163.45 was down 1% on the day, 1.13%, or the equivalent of $1.87. And after hours, I would pretty much call this flat on the day. But check this out, guys. Let's start right here at 9:30 market open. We were sitting around 164.75. Check this out, guys. We just basically had a waterfall type of day. All the way down here, it just went down, 163.30 now we're sitting at. Then guys, we even took it another leg lower, and the low of the day was 161.82. okay, that's a $3 move. Okay guys, these are the type of plays that I'm telling you, if you can take advantage of this, these are your $10,000 $20,000 type of plays if you can begin to spot them. This is why I teach you guys how to fish every single day. Okay, once it hit day of low, guys, we did get a bounce from this level, and then we went back and recaptured that 162 level, and then closed the day closer to this 163 level. And then after hours, as you can see, we're sitting 163.45. okay, listen guys, Apple reached that 168 level. That served as a level of resistance, and since then we've had 2 days of selling. Okay, be mindful of that, but don't rule out a retest of that level we first got rejected from, 168. okay, but check it out, if we go lower, you guys need to be looking for that 161. Always do a retest, 161.82 for tomorrow to be looking out for. If we go down, that's a retest of that low, and then if we break that, that opens the door for 160. okay, pay attention and play it level to level. Okay, next up, check this out, guys. Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, sitting at 184.20. this one was down over 3.5% today, or the equivalent of $7.08 on a day. And then guess what, guys, they're down another $1.30 in after hours. The market is really trying to put the smack down on it. Let's go ahead and break it down. Okay, they came out the gate, market open 190.55. Talked about in Discord, if we can get above this level, we would try to capture 192, and then that would open the door for a retest of 195, 197. They wasn't having it today, guys. Check this out, 190. And then I said, watch for heavy resistance. We're gonna go to 190. Go look at Discord. Everybody in Discord, major salute if you took advantage of this. I called these levels out. We're gonna break it down right now. 190, 188, 183. Let's go ahead and look at it. 190, boom, that's target number 1 hit. Okay, 188, that's target number 2 hit, and that's just in the first 15 minutes. Then guys, we traded sideways for a quick moment, and then boom, watch this big flush down. We went all the way down to 184 right here, and then made a double bottom. This tested that 183 level. Okay, and then double bottom right here, and then we begin to kind of move back to the upside, recapture 186, got close to capturing route 187, then we pulled back into power hour 185, 184, and then we closed around 186. Okay guys, please mark these levels so you can just be mindful of the numbers you see. Okay, you guys can do this for any chart that you're looking at. I love to teach you guys and show you guys the line chart. Then I love to bring out the candlestick charts, okay, because you become a master of both. It's a game changer. All right, but Tesla, guys, check it out. We are really down in the dumps right now. Okay, if we can't recapture 189, and I'll show you that in the charts momentarily, guys, you got to know we're coming to see 180. We're coming to see 178, and then ultimately 173, guys, and it's just like that. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the charts. Okay guys, class is in session. We're on a 5-minute chart. Check this out. We got Tesla sitting at 185.52 at close, but they're down another 30 cents in after hours, 184.20 as of 8 o'clock. Check this out though, guys. I want to show you something. Boom, boom. Check that out right there. That is the 200 EMA, okay? You need to see that and first identify that. Then look at this one. Boom, you have the 48 EMA, okay? And then one more bombshell you got coming through. Boom, right there, guys. You got the what we call the 13 EMA, okay? Now check this out. What do you notice, okay? Let me clear this out, okay? We dropped the bomb, started off, but what do you notice, guys? You should notice when you look at this that all of what Tesla is doing is underneath these levels. Look at this. All the action is under those three lines, okay? And you will see we rolled this line, we gapped down. This was a gap down, okay? And we didn't breach this line the entire first half of the day, okay? And we rolled it down. And when you have what does this make right here, guys? This is a bear flag. When you see that, you know the stock is going to go down, okay? It made what we call a double bottom, and then that's what got it back moving back to the upside. But it was a slow day, wasn't that much strength. It fell back down, traded sideways, and then fell back down again before making one last push to close out the day, okay? Check this out, guys. I'm going to break this down for you because these are the lessons you need to learn and see, okay? First and foremost, notice how, check this out, guys. Notice how on this chart, look at this. This level right here is what we call the 200. This is resistance, okay? You need to understand where resistance is at, okay? And that's the, what is that? That's the 200 EMA, okay? That is serving as resistance right now. So Tesla needs to get to 189 and above that level to be bullish, okay? Back to the upside. If we can't capture 189, you can see rejection at resistance, okay? And so 189 is a key level for us to get above, because if we can't, guys, we just gonna go lower and lower. So that's why we talk about understanding where resistance is at. Obviously, guys, you see where support is at right here. You had that down here, okay? It bounced off of support, but if we lose that and we don't recapture 189, guys, we are going to the downside. And it's important that you understand you got this level of resistance. You got the 48 that's also operating as resistance. We got to get through that level, okay? Right now, look, we haven't been able to get through that level, okay? And so everything is underneath these indicators. They're underneath these levels, and that's important for you to understand. Now, again, your sentiment changes once we break above those levels, but until we do, guys, you have to understand this play is currently in a downtrend until Tesla breaks out of the BS and goes back to the upside, okay? Please understand that. Please make sure you identify that when you're doing your chart work, okay? Right now, guys, we need a breakout for tomorrow to close out the shortened week, okay? Above 184, 185, 186, it gets us opening the door back towards that 189, okay? But then if we even get there at all, guys, we're going to have a battle, because you've seen the 200 sitting there as resistance in that case. Now, mind you, if we clear that, resistance becomes support. Always know that. But check this out. When you have a lot of confluence to the downside, you can also buy puts at resistance, and that helps you again make money to the downside since the trend is going down anyway, okay? These are things I want you guys to pay attention to when you're doing your chart work. That was the 5-minute chart that we illustrated that on, but you will see the same thing if you looked at the 15-minute chart, okay? Become masters of all time frames so that you guys can see the whole picture and begin to piece the puzzle pieces together, okay? This is what it comes down to. This is how you be surgical. This is how you master the game, all right? Listen, guys, I know that was a lot on today, but I'm hoping you go back and watch this at least 1 or 2 times. I just wanted to switch it up for the SPY today because Tesla had some downtrends, and I wanted you to see. I've been kind of highlighting for you that we've been above the trends on SPY, for example, but in Tesla today, you guys could see an example on a 5-minute chart where we're underneath all the moving averages in the 13, we're underneath the 48, we're underneath the 200, and you see the stock struggles to try to clear those levels to try to crawl its way back to the upside. Okay, when you have that, you have to favor the downside of a move. Okay, yep, you can risk it and try to go long, okay, but most likely plays will pull back. Okay, and that's an instance where you might want to just, you know what, let me understand the trend is my friend, let me not go against the grain. If we're moving down, let me just ride it down until we break some key levels and clear them and close above them, and then, you know, we can go back to the upside. Okay, listen guys, hopefully this lesson was helpful. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result and very few consider the journey. So do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.